Alright guys, part 2 to the mud video that we promised you.
And I might climb that tree.
Might climb the tree at the dam. Alrighty.
Hey guys.
Let's go.
Daddy's money.
Alright, what's up guys? We're back again here. We came back to this spot. You know what? We're drinking the Rockstar. I mean for the boys.
We couldn't go back to the other spot because old man Jenkins said no.
After there's no trespassing signs, so he freaks out. So we just came back to this spot.
Yep.
So we're gonna hit you back with another vlog here and explore some things we didn't explore last time because we ran out of time too.
And he has some good memories over here.
Yeah.
Don't explain.
Some good ones. All right, guys. Back to that pole right there where Kyle was trying to go down, but he wimped out on us. Like he wimped out on us. So.
My mom just told me
look at that.
It's a bad idea.
Go. We should take the Jeep down that though.
Yeah, but we might get trespassing because there might be a trespassing zone.
You're right.
But next time we're just gonna ask random people and be like, "You mind if we trespass on your land and four-wheel?" Yeah. Because old Jimmy John Jenkins said no.
Oh my. Bessie Koth, I think you'd be fine climbing on that.
I mean, not right now because it's a little wet.
Nah, you got this.
Why is there one?
Because somebody got the good lotion.
Yeah, I'm selling lotion for the motion.
For the boys, guys. Look at that.
If I take off my
Whippled
socks,
strawberry.
You guys don't know this, but this is actually the bench.
That's the bench?
The bench.
That is the bench, guys.
That
story will come later on in our life. We can't tell it right now, though.
I got more stories.
And he does too. You think the trail ends right here, right?
That's a pole.
Oh, I was like, that's a street now. I left my phone.
You left your phone?
He should have.
Not like I really need it.
Oh, that's gonna be another chop.
Oh, dang it!
Golly, I swear. I swear. Still back there, Andy?
I keep forgetting you're always vlogging now.
Water moccasin. This time, I wore long sleeves so Andy can't roast my white issues.
Oh yeah, his bad tan line. Dude, I believe the water's up a little higher than last time.
Every vlog I'm in.
Every vlog.
Right, you only been in 2.
Exactly. Every vlog that he's gonna be in, he's gonna be peeing in.
I hope a snake gets you.
Crawling.
Poison ivy's gonna get right up on your.
Look at him. Again, playing with it.
No, we try not to get poison in his face.
Look at him.
I would have peed on myself if I'd done that.
I'm not peeing.
Oh,
Bro!
Every vlog.
I'm gonna go pee later. Okay.
You gotta tell him the joke.
What joke? Oh, alright. I got a pickup line for you. What's the difference between me and a couch? I don't pull out. Thank you very much.
Oh, schooled. Hold on. Also, subscribe to Kyle right there. Screenshot for updates.
No noodles.
And updates on upcoming vlogs. And Andy.
As soon as I get my name up there.
Right there. Blank screen. Right there. Boop, screenshot.
If I walk in there and something's gonna grab me and you guys are gonna run away.
They're gonna be some.
Ow!
I don't see how hard it is. I'm not gonna kick like going out. Oh, that's like an 8.
Good?
That was a good idea when I was standing out here.
Scudder! The one kid out of the pack.
Okay.
Hello!
One second. Yeah, it's gonna come out of this stuff. I would climb down it, but there's water
I would
right
not
there.
climb down there.
Look at that rain, guys. And we don't have the top on the Jeep
It
either.
was like, no, evidently it's hail.
Hail.
According to mom and dad, they told us it's hail.
Or yeah, because I mean, they don't want us to ruin in their Jeep. So
Yeah.
Too late.
too late, yep. Alright guys, until next time, we'll hopefully get to go mudding some point in our life.
That just pisses me off.